Right, so I bought a K&N high flow air filter for the TW200. So let's unbox this box and see what K&N has to offer for the TW. Another box. We got a sticker. That's awesome. All right. Well, that is definitely a bit smaller than it looked like on the pictures. I bought this on eBay, but it's okay if it's smaller. It's fine. It's oily. I've never gotten a K&N air filter. This is the first one. I wonder if they all come like greasy like that. But yeah, this should just go right in on a TW, so let's get right into that. To add in this box, there's some air filter sealing grease, so I guess that's nice. Let's see how this goes. All right, guys, so this is going to be a fairly simple install, basically pretty easy, but I'm going to show you how to do it anyway. It's basically just taking the old one off and putting the new one back on. So you just want to take off, there's 4 screws down at the bottom. You're going to want to take those off. And then this panel just comes out, and there's a little rubber grommet at the bottom of this gas tank. Just want to pull it out. And then there's 2 Phillips right here to take off the the lid to the air box. All right, so probably if you can see, that is pretty gross, so I'm going to be cleaning that out, and you just keep this in there when you put the new filter on. I had cleaned this just a little bit ago. It's not too dirty, but why not upgrade it? And then I'm just going to wipe out the air box in here as well. Alright, so I'm just going to be using some Dawn and some hot water to clean this up. Got that as best as I could. Around the edges it's still kind of greasy and grimy and dirty, but it should be fine. Alright, so I got this all dry, just sprayed it with the nozzle on the air compressor. So let's put the K&N high flow air filter in. So it just kind of goes right in. It's like a perfect fit, which is awesome. Everyone likes a perfect fit. It came with the sealing grease, but I guess we'll put some on. Alright, so the grease is all in there. Let's put this in. So that fits in there perfect, which is always nice. And And then we're just going to put everything back the way it was. Goes just like that. Then if you're using a drill to put these back in, just go slow so you don't like strip them or anything like that, or cross thread them, I mean. And yeah, if you are using a drill, don't go so much that you do strip them. You know, just snug. So there's longer ones and there's shorter ones. The longer ones go on the bottom, and the shorter ones go on this top part. I came at this sticker, it's like, stop. This is a rewashable filter. So might as well just put this sticker on the airbox itself. So they know, hey, this is a washable filter. I don't gotta go buy a new one. Because this filter was about 55 bucks, I think. I bought it on eBay, so it's for you to know. All right, this poop face was under my front tire, so we found him. The family's back together. Okay, this just slides right back up in there. Be sure to fasten it all correctly. Put that back in its hole so it's happy. So the screws go over that. Makes sense. Got it. And the install is almost complete. We have the sticker, and since the airbox is on this side and there's still room for other stickers on that side, we're just gonna put this K&N sticker right there should work, because the K and the N is white, so it should go good with the black. All right, now that we have installed that sticker, this install is complete. All right, guys, this is gonna wrap up this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, leave a like on the video. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment in the comment box below. If you wanna see more like this, hit that subscribe button. I got a big surprise coming for you, so stay tuned for that, and I will catch you next time.